So let's quickly recap on how to install the Lumbermixalot plugin into Blender. So go to the GitHub page of Lumbermixalot, click on the code button, and you can download the zip, which is going to download the latest version, which right now is 3.03. Click on download, and now you have it. Next step, let's open Blender and install the plugin. So this is Blender. I am on Blender 2931. Okay, to install the plugin, which we already downloaded, we're gonna go to Edit, Preferences. It's no different than any other Blender plugin, by the way. And we're gonna click on Install. And I think we have this one on the downloads folder. There is a Lumbermixalot main zip file. You click on it and click Install Add-on. After you install it, you're gonna click on here to enable it, and it gives you a brief introduction, but it doesn't matter. We're gonna close this, and now it's installed. The question is, where is, after you install it, where is the interface of Lumbermixalot? And it's basically right here. There is a Lumbermixalot tab. Okay, and now you know Lumbermixalot is installed. Let's start using it.